how to put an Erbauer impact driver in reverse. So if you look on the side with the label, the information label here, this red button at the back here, just underneath it, has an arrow and it's pointing forward. So this means it's in forward motion. To put it in reverse, you want to see the Erbauer sign looking at you like this, and you'll see this little red triangle pointing backwards. Push this all the way in, and then your Erbauer impact driver is in reverse. So if you don't see the little triangle and it's worn out or something like that, look at the Erbauer sign, have it facing you like this. So look at the Erbauer sign, push the red button all the way in, and that'll be the Erbauer impact driver placed into reverse. Now hopefully it's a quick and simple video, and hopefully it helps you out. If it does, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.